Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the negative graffiti effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select the video that I want to edit. Go to effect and you can find on trending. Here's negative graffiti. Just download it and apply to your video. Just click add to track or just drag. It's quite downloading the effect. Right, just click add to track and change body duration and length. You can adjust for the option right here. So final effect you have on your video. You have to join Pro to be able to use this effect. Right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.